What's up, you guys? This is Ebony Ohan, also known as Glow Hen, and today I'm going to be doing a full face of Mented Cosmetics as a Mented Mentor, and I'll also be showing you 3 different looks that you could do using their Red Matte Lip Trio, which is also a part of their 2021 holiday gift guide. If you don't know, I'm going to be featuring these amazing products, and yeah, just stay tuned and enjoy the beat. It is holiday friendly, holiday ready for your spooky season, for your Thanksgiving vibes, or for your Christmas dinner. It's just, you could use this look for the rest of the year. And I got a text message in the middle of... Hey fam, it's holiday season. Let's get beat. Starting off by setting my primer using the Skin Silk Loose Setting Powder in the shade Deep Rich in my Mented Cosmetics powder brush. Next, I'm going to use the spoolie of my brow pencil to comb my brows in place, before going in with my concealer shade M10 to highlight underneath my brows before I fill them in for a more natural look with a flat brush. Then, use that same shade in a fluffier brush as a primer for my entire eyelid. Another quick hack that I love is to set my eye primer with light tan setting powder for a smoother shadow application. Using my Every Night Eyeshadow Palette, I'm going to create a simple ombre smoky eye look, starting with Brooklyn all over my eyelid. Next, I'm going in with Harlem right above that and into my crease. And after that, I'm going to use Philly to soften out the look. Then I'm going back in with Brooklyn to enhance the smokiness on the outer V. And then I'm going to use Houston to soften out that smokiness a little bit before using Miami underneath my brow. Going back with Houston to soften the highlight, and then finishing off with, of course, an inner corner highlight using the shade Miami. Boom, eyes done. Let's do complexion. Using M10 again, this time as an under eye concealer and to highlight my entire face. I do this with the same flat brush because it just gives me the precision I need it to give. My favorite way to use the Better Setter setting spray is directly on my tools before blending. That way, I'm mixing in the product with the setting spray, which helps it last so much longer and blend that much smoother. Now I'm going in with my skin tone shade in the Skin by Mented Foundation Stick D40 all over my face. Quick spritz of that Better Setter setting spray on my Mented foundation brush before blending it all together. I'm using medium deep in that same sponge I used to set my concealer. Now I'm going to use a light layer of light tan to create a reverse contour. It's giving skin. Time for bronzer. I'm using Out of Office all over the perimeter of my face, and I also like to use this bronzer in the inner part of my brow bone, going down the sides of my nose to bring back my natural definition. Next is blush, my favorite. Today I'm using Clay Too Much with the Mented Cosmetics powder brush, and I gotta have some glow, so I'm using Glow Girl from the Sunkissed highlighter palette. Now that the face is done, let's wrap up these eyes. I'm using Brow Down on my eyebrows, and of course, the new Long Live the Lash mascara from Mented Cosmetics. Time to get into this Red Matte Lip Trio, starting with Red Rover. This is what she looks like by herself, with a little bit of gloss prior to application. Next, I'm going to line my lips with the Night Lip Pencil and add Red and Butter on top of that. Last but certainly not least, we have Red Carpet. Here's what she looks like by herself, but I'm a glossy girl for life, so here's what she looks like when I add a layer of Loud and Clear on top of that. And here is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out Mented Cosmetics Holiday Gift Guide and use my code EBONY at checkout for money off your orders. Happy holidays!